Let's discover our color of the week. Where's my pencil case? Where did it go? Oh my, it's always there. This is a job for Aduky the detective. I'll be back. Found it. Okay, now let's look at our color of the week. Okay, what is our color of the week? It's coming out. I've got it. It is orange. Let's sing a song. Orange is the color of my pencil. Orange is the color of my pencil. Orange is the color of my pencil. It's orange, orange, orange. Yep, the color of the pencil in my hand is orange. Now what should we do? Do you have any ideas for me? Let's color our flashcard. Today we are coloring the letter. Let me find it. C. C is for car. C is for car. And we will color our letter C orange. Come on, let's go and color the letter C. There's our letter C. C is for car. Vroom, 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 vroom. Is that the sound cars make? Vroom, 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 vroom. Okay, we're going to color our letter C orange. So are you ready? First, let's take a look at the letter C. This is the big letter C, and that is the small letter C. C is for car. Now, are you ready to color the letter C orange? Let's do it. We're done. Our letter C is orange. This is the big letter C, and that is the small letter C. C is for car. Now, do you see anything else that is orange? This star, this one. This star is orange. I hope you enjoyed coloring the letter C. If you join me to color the letter C, then don't forget to tag me at Storytime Haven. I would love to see your colored letter C. See you next time. I hope you enjoyed coloring with me. See ya! Thank you for watching Storytime Haven. Don't forget to keep smiling and shining. See you next time.